Welcome to my channel Kartik the Cuber, and today in this video I will solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube 5 times. So let's see what is my average of 5. So first I have to scramble it with an algorithm.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So I have scrambled it. Now I am going to solve it.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So I am going to solve it now.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I have solved this cube. So I am solving it second time. So first I have to scramble again.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on
So I have scrambled. Now I have to inspect it.
through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Now I am going to solve.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number.
So I have solved it second time.
Horizon, turn us to
Now I am going to scramble it again.
grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
So I have scrambled it. Now I am going to inspect it.
Highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
So I have inspected. Now I am going to solve.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I have solved it.
Me close till I get up.
Now I am going to scramble it for the fourth time.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So I have scrambled it again.
Through the wastelands, through the
Now I am going to solve it.
shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I have solved it again. Now I am going to solve it the fifth time, and now I am going to scramble it.
No, I don't want no rest.
remembered it again. Now I am going to expect it.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the
Now I am going to solve.
till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I have solved it. So now it's time to tell my A of 5 means average of 5. So friends, my average of 5 is 32.296 seconds. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so my new videos notification can come to you. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.